Imagine a world where data doesn't just talk. It sings, dances, and tells compelling stories. Welcome to the realm of data visualization, a powerful tool that brings complex data to life. It's not just about presenting numbers in a graph or chart. It's about making these numbers understandable, engaging, and actionable. It's about transforming raw, unprocessed information into a visual narrative that anyone can understand at a glance. Over time, data visualization has evolved from basic pie charts and bar graphs into a vibrant field of interactive dashboards, augmented reality experiences, and even immersive virtual environments. But no matter how advanced the technology becomes, the core purpose of data visualization remains the same: to unlock insights, drive decisions, and shape our reality. It's a tool that helps us make sense of the world around us, turning invisible patterns into clear, compelling pictures. Data visualization is not just about presenting data, it's about unlocking insights, driving decisions, and shaping our reality. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of data visualization has never been more exciting. Picture this: a world where data dances before our eyes, telling stories in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a healthcare industry revolutionized by visualizations that allow doctors to predict and prevent diseases before they occur. Or an education system transformed by interactive, personalized data dashboards that adapt to each student's learning style. Now let's hear from the experts, the visionaries at the forefront of this field. They speak of immersive virtual reality experiences, of hyper-personalized dashboards, of AI-powered storytelling with data. These are not mere figments of the imagination, but possibilities on the horizon, shaped by the relentless pursuit of innovation. Yet as these advancements unfold, they bring with them a host of complexities. Ethical dilemmas, data privacy concerns, the digital divide, these are but a few of the challenges we may encounter. As these experts suggest, the future of data visualization holds immense potential, but it's also fraught with challenges and uncertainties. But the future is not something to be predicted, it's something to be achieved. And that's exactly what we're doing with data visualization. As we step into a new era of technological advancement, the potential of data visualization is expanding exponentially. But how do we tap into this potential? What roles can we play in shaping the future of data visualization? Learning new skills is a start. As data visualization tools evolve, so must our understanding and capabilities. This can mean diving into the intricacies of virtual reality, mastering the art of AI-generated visuals, or exploring the realm of interactive data storytelling. Experimentation is key. Emerging technologies offer a playground for the curious and creative. Imagine designing a wearable data display that communicates through tactile feedback, or a brain-computer interface that allows us to interact with data just by thinking. The possibilities are endless, and they're ours for the taking. Supporting research initiatives is another way to get involved. By backing the work of researchers and developers at the forefront of data visualization, we can help drive the field forward. We can contribute to the creation of new tools, techniques, and theories that will shape the data landscapes of the future. And of course, we can create. You might be an artist looking for a new medium, a scientist seeking new ways to communicate complex data, or a storyteller wanting to weave narratives with numbers. Data visualization offers a canvas for all of these pursuits and more. There are already pioneers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take for instance the creators of interactive data murals that bring community stories to life, or the developers of data symphonies that transform numbers into music. These innovative projects are just a glimpse of what's to come. So as we step into this exciting future, remember, data visualization is more than a tool or a technique. It's a canvas for creativity, a medium for storytelling, and a catalyst for change. Let's shape this future together.